What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to start a YouTube channel in 2020 from all the way from the beginning, guys. If you're a beginner, if you're trying to get into YouTube, I'm going to be explaining how to start a YouTube channel in 2020 as a beginner, all the way up to hopefully you build some kind of fan base, a following, and eventually, guys, hopefully you get monetized and you start making money off this, right? And this part of the video, I'm going to be in person, one-on-one, talking to you, looking you guys in the face, and talking to you directly, explaining some tips, what I recommend starting as a brand new in 2020 as a beginner and YouTube, and how you can grow, how you can build a following, how you can get monetized, how you can make money off this, and how hopefully you can become successful on YouTube as a complete beginner in 2020. Later on in the video, maybe in like a minute, I'm going to go on my screen, show you my channel, show you my analytics, show you my videos, go more in depth into the whole video details. But for right now, I want to look at you guys. I want to say, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and comment, guys. Every single video I give away free Amazon gift card. I give away almost 650 free Amazon gift cards. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and comment. That is all you have to do to be entered in the Amazon gift card giveaway. Every single video I do a giveaway. Now, I post daily videos. We're going to go into my screen. We're going to go into my YouTube. We're going to go into my channel videos, analytics. But real quick, I just want to let you know, I started this channel about 8 months ago with 0 subscribers, and 8 months later, guys, I have 20,000 subscribers, almost 21,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. And not only that, I've been able to finally become monetized and start making money off this channel. And I will make another separate video how much money I make on YouTube, blah, 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 blah. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to start from literally beginning as a bare beginner in 2020 to how to hopefully grow a following, become successful, become monetized, and hopefully make a living or at least 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's get right into the video.
So here we are on my channel, guys. This is my channel, Average Tuber. I post daily videos and I give away free Amazon gift card in every single video. All you have to do is hit that like, be subscribed, and comment to enter in the giveaway. And that's one of the things you guys should be doing, posting frequently. Frequent uploads is very, very important. Not only that, but you also want to give your subscribers incentive to like the video and to keep coming back. I give away free gift cards every single video, and I normally post 2 to 3 videos every single day. Now, let's get back to how to start a YouTube in 2020 as a complete beginner. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Google. You want to type in YouTube sign up, create an account, and then you want to go to AdSense and make an AdSense account too, just so you can get monetized. All right, but first thing first, Google, create an account, YouTube sign up. That's what I searched. You hit create an account, bam, there you go. Then you go here. This is your channel dashboard right here. You see channel dashboard. Mine looks a little different because I have stuff like monetization, you know, and customize and stuff like that. But regardless, yours will look very similar. It shows you right here your last video performance, your channel analytics in terms of subscribers, your last frequent subscribers who subscribed last. You have your published videos, how they're doing, your comments, you know, you stuff like that. Then you click right here, videos. It looks like this. You can see your videos, how they're doing. You can see your views, your comments, your likes versus dislikes, everything like that. Let's say we click on this video right here. It will look like this. This is the very important part, guys. You have your basic and your more options. Your basic, right? You need a title. You need a title that captivates an attention. You want something that people click on right here. Second stimulus check update, and then the date. And then obviously Congress gives an update, guys. That's what I put. That's what I personally like, but you don't have to do that. Regardless of what you make your video on, you want to have a good title. Then you have your description, guys. I like to make it about the stimulus, and I add links if you want to support my Patreon, if you want to donate, etc., guys. And then right here we have the thumbnail. This is the picture. You want the picture, the thumbnail, what people see to be good. You want to captivate them. Again, you want to get their attention with the thumbnail and the title. You want to make them have a reason to watch your video. You know what I mean? These are just tips that I personally like and use. And then we have the tags. Very, very important, guys. This is what people search in Google or on YouTube to have your videos pop up as recommendations. When it comes down to it, guys, your title, your thumbnail, and your tags are the most important part. That's why you want to make sure you get these down, because this will attract people and bring people to your channel. Again, we have more, guys. It's not just that, but that's just the basics of a video. That's what you want to do. And how do you create a video, guys? You go right here to your dashboard. This is what it's going to look like, your channel dashboard, and you click create. Once you click create, you can have 2 options: to upload a video or to go live. Let's say you click upload a video, and then once you click upload a video, you just fill this out. It will look 100% like this. It'll just be blank, right? You put a title, you put a description, you put a thumbnail, again, you put your tags, and that's pretty much it, guys. Then it uploads, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, these are all my videos. So far, you can see 1,400 views, 330, almost 4,000, 15,000, 500. I like to make a mix, right? I want to do stimulus videos, but I also want to do videos like, you know, investing videos, cryptocurrency videos. I want to show people how they can have their money make them money, how you could use your money. So while you're at work, you're just waiting, you know, instead of waiting in a bank account collecting, literally losing interest. I want to show you how you can actually make interest on your money. So when you wake up, you go to sleep, when you get out of work, you have more money than you had before. Not only that, videos like these, right? Analytic videos, how to grow on YouTube. I literally started 8 months ago with 0, guys. I had 0 views, 0 subscribers, and I was fortunate enough to build all the way up to almost 21,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you, every single one of you guys that daily like the video, comment, guys, interact with me. I read, I like, I heart. I love you guys. You guys are the best. I know I know hundreds, if not thousands of people's first names and their pictures just because they keep coming back every day. I want to help other people, guys. I was fortunate enough to build a following, to build a fan base, and to help so many people. I genuinely give away free Amazon gift cards every single day. Every single video, I give away free Amazon gift card. And I post maybe 2 or 3 videos every single day. Consistency is a huge thing. I'm always here. Literally, check back on my channel 2-3 times a day. I have a new video. And not only that, I want to help you guys and educate you guys both on the stimulus and how to invest your money and how to grow a YouTube channel, guys. If I can do it, anybody can do it. That's why I call myself Average Tuber, because I'm just an average guy making YouTube videos. I'm the same like you guys. 8 months ago, I didn't have a YouTube channel, and now thankfully I have subscribers. I want to help people. I don't want to make $1 million. I want to help 1 million people out. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. But my next video, I'll be showing you how much money I make on YouTube, how to edit your videos, how to make thumbnails. I just want to help people. I want to help and I want to educate them on the stimulus, investing, cryptocurrency, stocks, YouTube. I just want to help people from the bottom of my heart. Like I said, every single video, I give away free Amazon gift card. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment to enter in the giveaway. And again, this video has hit 500 likes for me to pick a winner next video. Thank you guys so much. Peace.